Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube creative studio. I'm so happy to meet you in this lovely time. There are so many colors and blossoms and flowers everywhere, and they inspired me to create this video tutorial how to crochet this puff flower. And you can decorate your hats or handbags, bags or dress or skirts with these flowers. Look at them, they are so cute. I love this puff effect and 3D effect, and they are so easy to create. And you can choose any color yarn you have, and you can also use any scrappy yarn. As always, all instructions to this project you will find in the box below this video, and the information and the pattern is also available at my website. So if you are interested in how to crochet this amazing puff flower, let's keep watching. I will show you everything step by step. I used that Bago yarn, but you can use any yarn you like. We will start with a magic ring, and I would recommend you to leave a longer tail at the beginning, and you can use this tail to sew the flower on the hat or any wardrobe or any project you like. We will start with chain 1 and then work single crochet, chain 1 and single crochet, and we will repeat it 6 times, so 5 more times. So single crochet, chain 1 and a single crochet, single crochet, chain 1 and a single crochet. Okay, we have 3 repetitions and we will add 3 more. Single crochet, chain 1 and single crochet, single crochet into the magic ring, chain 1 and single crochet, single crochet, chain 1 and single crochet. Super. So we have created 6 repetitions and there are 6 chain 1 spaces, and I will work the petals into the chain 1 space, into each chain 1 space. I will show you. Okay, so this is chain 1. If you skip 2 single crochet, you will find the next chain 1 space. Again, there are 2 single crochets and chain 1. Okay, so I will work the petal in each chain 1. I will use a new color, but you can continue with the same color if you want. It's up to you. If you will start with a new color, I would recommend you to make a slip knot. Pull it through the chain 1, the first one, and then I will create the first petal. The petal consists of 6 triple crochet stitches together. Chain 3 as my first triple crochet and finish it. Yarn over twice, insert the hook into the same chain 1 space and pull yarn through 2, pull yarn through 2 and leave it. Okay, so I have 2 yarns on my hook. Yarn over twice and repeat it. Pull yarn through 2, pull yarn through 2. Yarn over twice, insert the hook into the same chain 1 space. Pull yarn through 2, pull yarn through 2, perfect. We have 4 loops and we will repeat it till you will have 6 yarns, 6 loops on the hook. It means we will create a cluster of 6 triple crochet. Okay, I have 6 loops on my hook, and now I pull yarn through all loops on my hook. Perfect. Now chain 1 to fix it, and add 2 more chains. So chain up, 2, 1, 2, so 3 chains together, and make a slip stitch into the same chain 1 space. Slip stitch. Super. You can shape the path, so just push the chain back and create the puff petal, or shape the puff petal. Now skip 2 single crochets, find the next chain 1 space, so 1, 2 single crochet, work in chain 1, a slip stitch, and we will repeat a cluster of 6 triple crochet. So chain 3 at the beginning, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the same chain 1, and this is my second triple crochet, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the same chain 1 space, the third triple crochet, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the same chain 1 space, pull yarn through 2, pull yarn through 2. Okay, we have 4, so 2 more, so 5 yarns on the hook, and the last one, pull yarn through 2, pull yarn through 2. Perfect, we have 6 loops on the hook. Now pull yarn through all loops on the hook and chain 1 to fix it, and chain 2, 1, 2, make a slip stitch into the same chain 1 space, and shape the petal. Push it up, skip 2 single crochet, and work next cluster of 6 triple crochet into next chain 1. Okay, so show you once again, skip 2, 1, 2, and make a slip stitch. Perfect. Now chain 3, which is which works as first triple crochet, yarn over twice, and add 5 more triple crochets. So you will have 6 triple crochets together, and we will join them. So we are making a cluster of 6 triple crochets placed in chain 1 space. Okay, 1 more. Okay, I have 6. pull yarn through all loops on the hook, chain 1 to fix it, tight it properly, and chain 2, 1, 2, and make a slip stitch. And you can repeat it into each chain 1 spaces. There are 3 chain 1 spaces left, so you will have 6 petals around. Pull the chain 2 behind the petal and shape the puff petals. Okay, look at the back side. It's cute, isn't it? They're so nice, these petals. I love them. Okay, so you can finish 3 more petals, and once you will have them, I will meet you to show you how to finish up this puff flower. Okay, so this is it. This is my 6th petal, chain 1 and chain 2, 1, 2, make a slip stitch, super, and now we have to join the circle. You can cut the yarn. Now grab the yarn we started with the first round. This is for me it's a blue color, and tie it tightly. To close the magic ring. Okay, so pull it as much as you can. Super. Now there is a really small hole inside the flower in the middle. It's nicely shaped, isn't it? And now we will join the first round with a slip stitch placed into the first chain 1 space. Okay, super. Now you can cut the yarn, and again I would recommend you to leave a longer tail and use it for sewing later on the flower on your project. We can make a knot or 2 knots. To fix the magic ring properly. And this is it, my crochet friends. We just created this amazing puff flower, and in my next video tutorial I will show you how to attach it on any project, and I will also show you how to crochet this amazing sun hat, I promise. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, my crochet friends. If you will have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm always happy to help. Let's do the final measurement. It's 2 inches or 5 centimeters long. So thank you very much for watching once again, my crochet friends. I hope you like it. If you do so, please give me your thumb up and don't hesitate to subscribe my channel. I wish you happy crocheting, take care and bye for now.